What's going on, YouTube? Got 03 KFX400. Just put a new cylinder and piston on this joint, and before I replaced that, shit was running fine. Now everything back together. This is what it do. 1 second, so you can hear it. This is what it sounds like. I don't know what the hell the problem is. Need some help. I know somebody out here knows something. I done took the valve cover off, checked the timing over and over again. Took the cylinder back off, checked the rings, made sure I had the rings on right. And then checked for compression, got good compression. But the shit just won't start. I did get it to run for like 10 seconds, but it really wouldn't. After I let go of the gas, it just cut straight out. It wouldn't idle up or nothing. But other than that, I need some help trying to get this joint right, because I'm about ready to junk it, ready to throw it in the goddamn trash. I know they're probably gonna notice some shit missing or whatever, but I'm just trying to get it started for now, because I've been working on it for a couple days with no luck. So don't mind the stuff that's missing. I got all that stuff. I just want to know, if you had a problem with, the same bike or similar, 4-stroke bike or whatever, I need some tips or ideas, or be pointed in the right direction on, what should I do next. I even made sure all the valves clearances was good. Just put new shims in it today, matter of fact. Fresh gas, even try to spray starter fluid, no start, still wouldn't start. Fresh spark plug, still won't start. Try to pull start it, still wouldn't start. So I don't know. If somebody help me out, please.